So Govee did it again. Every single product, every single Govee product that I have, it speaks quality. I have tons of RGB lights. I have tons of the Govee Life kind of like appliances and things like that. I have tons of light screens and RGB. I mean, just name it. My whole house, it's just plugged with Govee. And now they came out with this fantastic RGB lamp that is also music reading power, but it's also AI power, and it's also powered by JBL speakers. The sound quality of this lamp, which is not only a lamp, it's also a Bluetooth speaker, it is just outstanding. I will not be able to show you anything with music or something like that because my video can get muted, you know how it is. But I have a pre-recorded voice thing that I did, and you're gonna hear everything right here with my microphone, of course. But first, let's turn off the lights and check out the lamp of this light. But first, let me turn off the lights so you can see the full power of the RGB lamp. So let's just start with the app. I mean, besides, just take a look at this lamp. It looks just fantastic. So you can do everything with your smart devices. If you have a Lexi or if you have a Google One, you can just like talk to the smart devices and say like, turn on the lamp, turn off the lamp, do the brightness, volume up, volume down. Oh, I mean, you know how it is. But then we have, like every other Govee product, we have the very intuitive app, super easy to use. You have all these scenes right here. You can change the scene so much that actually this is kind of like a sound machine as well. And whenever you change the scene, sometimes it comes with a kind of like a melody. I'm not gonna play that melody right here because my video can get muted. I mean, if I do like music or something like that, it can get muted. But if you change to, for example, this is forest, this is gonna be kind of like the ocean. Let me actually change this one. This is gonna be like an ocean or something like that. You also have waves, which is gonna be like a wavy sound and things like that. You also have like a fire, which will have a fire cracking sound or something like that. So it acts like a sound machine as well. You can do colors as well, just again with a click of a button like this one, or you can just do it with your smart devices as well. I'm gonna actually put it in this one, or actually white. So this one is very, very bright, I have to say. But also this one comes with an AI model. So the AI model is kind of like new. You hold to talk and it will change. It's kind of like a little bit slow still. They need to improve that a little bit. Let's actually do it. I'm gonna hold to talk right now. I want a sunrise scene.
Acknowledged. Leave it to me.
That's so awesome. So we have this sunrise is gonna kind of like start like popping up with time, and it's gonna be like a sunrise scene. But if I want to do, I don't know, let's do a sunset instead. Change it to a sunset scene.
Of course, I can take care of that. I thought you'd never ask.
Okay, yeah, take it easy. But this is actually really, really good. So I have to say that let's go back to seeing rainbow. I do like the rainbow. I do like how the colors like keep popping up and things like that. So for like a decoration, it looks really good. But what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna do to the sample that I have over here. My microphone is right here, so it's gonna pick up the volume of this JBL speakers, which are fantastic, like for a party, for just like listening to music or whatever you want. This one's gonna be really cool. So let's actually do that. This is a recording to test the Govee lamp. The quality of the sound is actually really, really good, powered by JBL speakers, and not even talking about the RGB lights. This lamp is just fantastic. It is. It is truly fantastic. All the things that you can do with the app or with the smart devices, and you even have like buttons right here. It's like a touch panel for volume, for picking up calls and things like that. But also how it looks really kind of like modern, futuristic, and also it's gonna be a nice one for the sound quality I was just telling you before. And everything you can do it with the app, and you can switch it to music, either coming from the phone or coming from like the house, and it has like a rhythm, a music as well, matter activated as well. This thing is just, it can do it all. It looks fantastic. You have a really good sound quality powered by JBL, and also you have all these things that you can do with the app, with all the scenes, for example. It's just like switching them, putting like in a nursery, your bedroom, your living room, like a nice decoration. I don't know how else to say, what else to say, because this thing can do it all and it looks just outstanding.